guys, it's Annika and welcome back to my channel. So today, you can tell by the title already, but we are going to Target to spend my gift card, and I'm gonna try to spend only the $25 and do a room makeover. Ah, so bright. So we're in the aisle now. So that bedding up there is $20, but then we can only spend $5 more. So wait, is there any other cheaper stuff? Like, is there anything that's like $15?
Like so light. Like, feel it. It's not gonna be very heavy.
Okay. Just the one we found. It's $20. I think we need. Do we have white sheets at home?
Yeah.
So, found this. Oh my gosh! I see this like pumpkin, and I could like decorate it maybe.
The thankful banner you can hang above your bed too.
Oh yeah, I like that. Wait, how much is that? Can't be that expensive.
$1.
We get one of these then. Okay, so now we're going into Chick-fil-A. And I got all this stuff. When I get home, I'm gonna show you what I got. We had to go back, and I spent the rest of the gift card. Here's the bag of the stuff that we got. Yeah, so I got 2 little pumpkins. This is what they look like. It's like a white pumpkin, and I think I'm gonna put them on my desk. I just got 2 of them. It is a lot later actually, but I ate my Chick-fil-A and I'm back home. I don't know if you guys understand how big this bag is. It's the size of the bag. It's so giant. And something I was most excited for is this pillow, and it says pumpkin spice on it a bunch of times. The back has like another design on it, which I think is really cool. Like, you can reverse it. Then you guys might have seen this, but it says thankful, and then this is like a banner. Last thing that we got are these pumpkins, and I got 2 of these, and these would like go on my desk. We didn't get any sheets, is what my sheets look like right now. They're like really colorful, I guess. I might get some new sheets next time I go to Target. So, my bed's a little bit different than a lot of other beds. I sleep like this, obviously. The pillows are back there instead of on one side. But anyways, I'm going to take off the bedding on this. And yeah, I'm really excited to see how this turns out. I have this from one of my friends, Lily, and I can't put it out in my room. I mean, I can, it's just it doesn't really go well if I had a fall room. So I think I'm gonna put that in my bathroom, same with that rainbow over there. So I have these pillows. They're like just a plain white color, and I really like them. And then I'll have the orange pillow as like a decorative throw pillow. Here's the $20 comforter. $20 for a comforter. That is super cheap if you didn't know. Surprisingly, this doesn't feel much cheaper than my bedding that I had before. But my bedding before wasn't like $100 either, so. I'm making a montage. Bedding is on. So here is what we're working with. I really like it. It does kind of look like it's like kind of plain. So the rest of my room is a complete mess, so I have to clean that up as well. I also have to put these over my bed, so it'll probably make it look a lot better. And yeah, I love my room so far. The only thing is I have to take those down, and I have to hang up the thankful letters, I think it is. You know what I could really use? Like another pillow. I don't know. Like maybe like an orange pillow or something, which we probably don't have. I'm gonna move some stuff that's on my desk to the bathroom, which is what I'm in right now. Okay, so most of it is cleaned up. I just have to do a little bit. I think I'm gonna work on my desk a little bit now. I'm gonna try to clean up my room as I decorate, kind of. Now that my bathroom is all cleaned up, I'm gonna add the rainbow in there, and then the little decoration that Lily got me. My mom found this amazing pillow. It looks so much better. It made it look a lot less plain than before. Yeah, we already had the pillow, so I didn't have to spend any more money on it, because it was probably like $30. I'm still gonna put this blanket on, and my chair still goes pretty well. I have Lily's thing hanging up there, and then here is what it looks like, the rainbow. So I kind of messed up my drawers because like my bathroom looks clean, but then when you open up the drawers, there's just stuff cluttered everywhere. So whenever I have like a friend sleeping over, they can like sleep on this. That doesn't really go with the fall theme. So I think I'm gonna switch this out maybe. So now it's time to finish up my desk because I have my mirror in my bathroom. My mom found like this Halloween stuff, and we already had this anyway. I think I'll bring these back when it's not fall anymore. Okay, I have these things, and like they stick stuff on the wall. I don't know about you guys, but I am obsessed with Annie Rose's room makeover videos. She's the queen of room makeovers. I love watching like her fall ones, so that's what inspired me to do it today. Ah! You guys, I finished it and I am obsessed with it. Okay, let me show you guys. $25 plus what we have at home, basically. I'm gonna take this one and tie it around the pumpkins on my desk. I am obsessed with them. This one has like a cute bow. This one, the string wasn't long enough to tie a bow. Can't eat candy corn. I can't eat those like pumpkins, like the chewy pumpkin things. Oh, I kind of improvised. So these are goldfish. I just put some like goldfish crackers in a mason jar. Okay, so everything in my room is officially finished. I think I still have to do the trundle bed. Then here's what it actually ended up looking like. Not perfect at all. And over there's the pumpkins, and they have like a gold trash can, so it's kind of like gold, black, and orange kind of theme. So again, here's what the bed looks like. It just says thankful on the top, which is one of my favorite things that's in my room right now. And then I have like a rainbow theme in the bathroom. A close-up mirror, which I already had before. I have my rainbow, and then this like room decor that my friend got me. But that's all for this week's video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for sitting to the end of the video. Also, big thank you to my uncle, aunt, and cousin for the gift card. Make sure to subscribe below if you guys aren't already. Also, turn on post notifications, and I will see you all in next week's video with a new fall background.